much to get the first one there? 250. I'm gonna get these.
I'm coming slap at 8 p.m. It's sending text to your DM.
Alright, moron.
Yeah, I'm just on the side of the dealership. Yeah, like if you come around. Hi.
Say hi to the vlog.
Here you are. Isn't this insane? Check this out. It's amazing.
Guys, we just got done. Finally. Finally! Why am I in the background? She can't cuss when she see this. Finally! I'll show you guys better tomorrow. Ooh, get your nail tech like mine for the free. Morning, guys. So it is the next day. This was the nails from last night. We got in real late last night, so I didn't even bother to update the vlog. But I just washed my hair and I'm about to get it cracking. Why me look like my ball like me did have one wig? My forehead just look forehead in. I made a mango banana smoothie, which is so good. I feel like me find the formula, cause the strawberry berry mix that I have too much pulp when I hit that. I don't like that. Currently still down. I couldn't even sleep last night because me up I watch the breeze outside. I blow. But okay, guys. So it is 3:27. I finished doing my hair a good while now. The top isn't so completed because I'm not sure how I want to do this bun. But for now, we're gonna leave it like this. And I'm gonna straighten. I need to go for the brush because of laziness. We're gonna straighten the back of the hair. I'm gonna straighten the hair, then go back and touch it. Okay, guys, I just got done making this bouquet. I'm gonna go plug the camera in because the battery is dying. But I'm gonna do that and then come right back to you guys. Cause me that try the half part. Oh god, my eye watering. Me did I try the half part one side. Half part one. Pearl really make people look like a damn dress up though. Let me show you guys the flowers. Package finally came. Gabby, you think much you have fashion over trying how to TikTok? You can go over there or look out for it on short. Guys, we're with the Pearl.
It's not gonna work.
See me on way out of here too far. Ash with the my ash. It's so pretty, little better. Popping on Zeus and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, trying to look like this. You made the color, ain't never made a swagger. Security bank.
But me not like this makeup. Yeah. I think the pink thing that I put over my eye. My eye them looks well and round.
That's so fat. That's so fat. That's so fat.
Guys, we are finished.
We
Oh, no, no, big up the bad photographer.
That's me.
Shout out the business.
And a banana.
Per.
Media Galaxy on Instagram and TikTok. Media Galaxy with an I.
Per.
MEDIA.
Per.
GALAXI.
Per for the girl I can't spell.
Make sure you write it on the screen.
But no, yes. So it is the next day. What next day, you might ask? Oh yeah, it's the next day. So I was just sitting down. I was home and I was sitting down literally on Amazon tracking my package because it was been supposed to be delivered from yesterday and it did not. But if I am not wrong, it should be one of them is here. Not the people. Okay. Let me grab the scissors and we are gonna unbox. Guys, literally the only thing I'm interested in this package right now for today is the phone case. It is cold outside and look like it's gonna rain as per usual. But we got a package. I'm gonna show you guys the Fashion Nova package which I got yesterday. I was gonna do a haul for TikTok, but you know I show TikTok my clothes and then when I dress up and I gotta get ready with me, I already see the outfit. I don't know if that makes any sense. So I said no to that. Anyway, my current case is this one. I love pink and I love the gold because everybody know I'm a gold girl and I'm a pink girl, but it's stripping and for some reason I got tired of the pink, so I got a brown case. I was gonna get this light nude one with the same gold detail in the middle. But just like I said, what if this was a 16 Pro Max phone case? I also need to put back the screen protector on my phone because I took it off and I still haven't replaced it. But this is the case. I'm gonna leave the pink on until I put on the screen protector for this one because, and this is cute. Oh, but the thing with these now, man, is easy to slide out. Look, because it's so smooth, you come like this, it slide out of my hand. But I think what I'm gonna do, yes, when I go back upstairs, I'm gonna make a hand bracelet with gold chain for right here. So, but then this one, it slides too, but it have a little bit of grip, so it's still kind of a little bit better than this one. I promise you guys, all these glasses that you see with is tested and has prescription, but I just always draw for the first one inside. But I just phone case update. I just added this little, it's literally the next day. I just added this little gold, when I see it, this little gold tassel on it, because remember I was telling you guys that it's easy to slide through my hands. So I did this. Alright, hold on. This is a gold chain to it, so I can just slip my hand in and then hold it like this. Cutesy! So I'm sure this is our phone case. But anyways, I am about to put the screen protector. It not even come up. The screen protector on my phone. I do have a camera cover, but I don't think it's gonna hold on the case. Here's my phone without the case. I should lucky get a clear case, but I don't like clear case. I like the color of the phone. And I would just wear like this, but I drop my phone every 2 seconds. But let me show y'all something. We got a clean case. So the screen on the screen protector never look this good yet. Clap it! And then we're going in for the win. I spent 10 minutes here for showing me how to fix phone case. I'm gonna work a phone shop. Is a problem.